Hello, you're watching at Skarima. It's a new day, new stuff and new skills with me. In today's tutorial, we are going to do a simple manipulation, but this is a big request from my student. So let's jump in and see what's up. I will start by dragging some images I've downloaded from Shutterstock, but you also find them in the link description. Let me do like this, drag them. I'm using Photoshop CC 2021 and I think it's loading. We are going to do a simple manipulation with a camera mode or a mode option called luminosity. Yeah, we reset, and I think this is my first manipulation tutorial, and I hope you guys are going to enjoy it. I will start by dragging this image to this one. We need to resize it by pressing Ctrl or Command T. I will resize it and fit it on the same artboard. I'm going to take the gradient tool. You can also press G, but to find it you can also hold Alt key and then just make one click here. It's inside here with paint bucket tool and 3D material drop tool. You find it here, it's gradient tool, but you need to make sure you are using black and white color. Yes, of course, on layer mask. Let's do like this. I'm going to remove this round and I'm going to leave mountain only so that we can do something nature. I'm going too far. I will need to increase the size. By pressing Ctrl or Command plus R, you can have this ruler option so that we can add a guideline here, and I can see the middle of my image while I'm trying to resize it to fit in on the screen. It will be nice like this, I think so. Yeah, because we consider this as a land or on the shore. So I'm trying to make it look realistic, and by looking this far, I think this is nice. And before I continue, please guys, hit that subscribe button if you have not yet, like this video and share it with your friends who might need to run best stuff on Photoshop and more kind of stuff of Adobe's. I mean Illustrator, Digital Paint, and also Photoshop, of course. Okay, we have it like this, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to duplicate this there so that we can do a reflection of this mountain. We have this mode called luminosity. I press it by here, but before I continue, let me first resize it on the other side of image so that I can press Ctrl or Command T, right click, and then flip vertically. We need to add it back as a reflection. I'm not going to duplicate it. I just press enter, and then we're going to use this luminosity. You can wonder why luminosity is giving us a nice reflection, color is not, saturation is not who, but there is other one, Recreaton, is kind of giving us an option, but for me luminosity is working very well. And I not leave it like this. What I will do, I will just reduce the opacity. Nice opacity is 99, 88, 77, 66, 55, 44, 33, 22 and 11. We can choose among those, so for me I will pick 55. And as you can see, my reflection is coming out very nice, but there is some errors here, because as you can see the image is more landscape and it has sharp edges. What we are going to do, it's simple way, selecting both layers, the one on reflection side and the real image, so that I can resize it on the screen. And yeah, it's simple like this. It's very simple like this. What we do next, I'll go to File, Save As, and then you need to save this as PSD. For my student, remember to use your naming conventions. Like if I am Kerimale, you have to put it here so that I can see your project. For you guys who are watching tutorials, save it in your way, like simple manipulation. Tutor. Yeah, I press save. You have to first save it as a project so that I can, when you open it, I can see this. I can see layer mask, I can see duplication of images. Yeah, and of course, remember you find these images in link description so that you can manipulate it in your ways and explore more. You can also go to File and then save as JPEG. I will not do that, but let me hope you guys learned something, and thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe for more coming tutorials. I'll be here for you. See you next time.